Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix no signal issue on Edge 90 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button and restart phone from here. After restart phone, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, open quick settings panel, suggest swipe down and you will see flight mode is here. Turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. Go back to home screen. You will see, but your problem is still not solved. Go to app library, scroll down to and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix no signal issue on Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.